The bottom plate is closely attached to the model lock frame. Pay attention to the barb of the installation bottom plate to be stuck on the edge of the glass door. Now it is in the left door opening direction. If you want to adjust the door opening direction, first loosen the 4 screws beside as back plate of the main lock, and then loosen the rotation direct. The main lock is stuck on the group frame first, and the auxiliary lock is installed by loosening the 4 screws nearby. After the auxiliary lock is clamped, use it in the screw-back screw-hitting. Tighten the 4 screws next to the secondary lock. Next, let's fix the master lock. The fixing screw is embedded in on the main lock iron frame. Open the battery cover and the small one under the knob. You can see the embedded screws on the patch. Tighten these 4 screws directly with the screwdriver. Screws can fix the master lock. This eliminates the need to remove the master lock first. The back plate is used to fix the main lock. After fixing the primary and secondary locks, install theme for number 5 batteries. Cover the battery cover with the patch below. You can use a toothpick to hold down the one next to the knob. Small hole for 3 seconds to restore the factory settings. Next, demonstrate the basic setup and operation. Press the End key to enter the settings. The first 3 entries are administrator information, and the latter is ordinary user information. Press the key to exit the basic settings. Press to call the doorbell. Next is the demonstration of opening the door. Press and hold to and 8 to enter the normally open mode when the lock is open. Enter valid door opening information again to release the normal opening.